Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can create an instance block and a static block in Java and how we can use this block for our benefits. So let us start for creating first of all the class, new, and click on class, and here we are giving a block example. And here we are creating more class display like this. So this is a class, and first of all we are creating a constructor in this class, and this is the constructor. Here we are giving a statement out.println. Here I am in constructor. Like this, I am in constructor. So if I execute this program like this, and I run it, you will see that automatically I will have a display. There is a problem already defined. Okay, I have taken display class already, so I can take the class. You can say I can change the class to display MSG. Okay, like this. Because in previous program I have taken this class, that's why. So now that is also defined. We shall save it. Display message is a class. Now I run it. You see, I am in constructor. So now I am creating a static block. Just write static and create a block like this. Now I display the same code in this static block, and I write I am in a static block, and I run it. You see the output. I am in a static block. I am in a constructor. That means before the constructor, this static block execute. Let's see one more thing. I'm creating an instance block. This is instance block. I am in instance block. So if I write static before the block, that block is become a static. So I say this is static block. If I do not write anything before the block, this block is called instance block. So I'm not writing any keyword, just declaring a block. So this block is called instance block. Now you see the execution. First of all, we will have the static block execution, then we have instance block, then we have a constructor. So before constructor, instance block execute, and before the instance block, static block execute. And see one more thing here. If I declare one more object of this class, you see, and I define it object number 2, and I run it again, you see the magic now. You see. So what is the output? I am in static block, then I am in instance block, I am in constructor, I am in instance block, I am in constructor. That means static block execute once, execute once, only execute one time, and this instance block execute every time whenever object create. Every time whenever object create. So we have created two object here. So two time we have the instance block execution, but static block execute once. So it execute once with a class, execute once in class lifetime. Means it execute once. You can create one more object also like this. If I create one more object number 3, and I run it again, so I will have the instance block one more time. You see the instance block. So instance block execute before the execution of a constructor each and every time whenever I create a object. So I created 3 objects. So instance block execute 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. But a static block execute once before the instance block. So this static block execute once for a class. This instance block execute every time whenever we create a object. So this is the use of static and instance block in Java.